The next recording mode is low level recording mode. When we have to use this low level recording mode, use low level recording for recording on environments or objects not supported by QuickText. Sometimes what will happen, QTP may not identify any object in the application. So even we cannot use normal recording mode there to identify. Still, if you want to record something on that particular application, even QTP is not able to identify based on object properties, then this low level recording mode will be helpful. Then another way where how we can use this low level recording mode is use low level recording for when you need to record the exact location of the operation on your application screen. So if you want to perform some operations based on the location, then this low level recording mode will be helpful, like x and y coordinates. Suppose if you want to click on one object based on x and y coordinate, then you have to go for low level recording. If the location of the object is important to your test, switch to low level recording to enable QuickTest to record the object in terms of its x and y coordinates on the screen. This way the step will be passed only if the object is in the correct position. So if you are using low level recording, the object should be in the same position. Otherwise QTP cannot identify that object in the application, because we are recording based on the x and y coordinates. After some time, if location of the object changes, QTP cannot identify that object. So we have to be very careful while using low level recording mode. In low level recording mode, whatever the application it is, all the objects, all window level objects will be identified as window objects, and all child objects will be identified as win objects. And one thing we have to remember while using low level recording mode is steps recorded using low level mode may not run correctly on all objects. So here we are identifying any object based on x and y coordinates. If any object location changes, or if it is misplaced, or if you are using some other monitor, suppose you have recorded the script in low level resolution monitor, and if you are trying to execute the same script in high resolution monitor, this low level recording mode scripts may not be run properly. So we have to be very careful while creating the scripts and at the same time while executing low level recording mode scripts. Now I'm going to show a small example on a Gmail page. So before we have seen in normal recording mode how the script was generated. Now we are going to see how the script is going to generate in low level recording mode. To start the low level recording mode, first you have to start the normal recording mode. Then only low level recording mode option will be enabled. Here under automation menu, you can find low level recording mode option. Click on that option and go to the application where you want to create your script. This is the Gmail page. Here you can see the Gmail page. I'm going to enter user ID, password, and I'm clicking on sign in button. And stopping the recording. Now you can observe the difference. Before, the script was generated in a hierarchical manner like browser dot page dot winedit or win button in normal recording mode. But here if you see, even it is Windows, web based application, still the main window, browser window, was identified as window object, and whatever the objects are displaying regardless of the object class, it can be a text object or it can be a win button, whatever it is, it doesn't matter, it is going to display here as win object. You can find the difference between normal recording mode and low level recording mode by recording side by side. That you can practice on your own. You can take it as an assignment. Here, as I said before, each and every object will be identified based on its coordinates. So here this is the x coordinate and this is the y coordinate. So based on this coordinate we are doing click operation on that. So it's just clicking in that particular location. Using type method I am entering this particular value. But in normal recording mode, what was happening? It was identifying based on object properties, and wherever the object is placed, it doesn't matter. That object should be identified without any issues. But in low level recording mode, it's not possible. If any object location changes, QTP cannot identify. It will do the operation. It will try to do the same operation in that particular location where we have recorded here based on these x and y coordinates. But if our object is not there, the test will fail. So we have to be very careful while creating this script. That's about the low level recording mode.